What's up, guys? It's John from Side Hustle Experiment. I hope you're having a great day. Today I am going to cover how to send in box sets to Amazon. It's really simple. It's really not that hard. So I already scanned these in to the listing software. I use AccelerList. So what I do, I know some people shrink wrap them and all this stuff, but what I do, I just buy poly bags. I have right here, I think Uline makes them. They have a set on Amazon, I'll link to it. They have like 3 or 4 different sizes. Make sure if you don't get these, the ones you get have this warning on it. It tells you like basically keep this bag away from babies and children, all that good stuff, which Amazon requires you to do. So simply you would just take this bag, and this is also to make sure that Amazon, I would never just send this to Amazon in a box. I mean, it's somewhat stable, but you don't want it to get busted. You don't want a book to fall out. You definitely want it contained. So super simple, you just put it in the bag like this. I might need a bigger bag for this one. Actually, it might just fit. Hold on. Yeah, there it goes. Just like that. Let's see. All right. Nice and tight. Then you just peel it off. I need a little bit of a bigger bag for this one. But, hold on. Let me just get it situated. All right. And then you're just going to seal it up. Like that. So now that it's all sealed up, you're good to go. And then I have these stickers that are called sold as set. You could buy these on Amazon. I'll link to those. I just put them on both sides so Amazon knows when they get this not to open it, or like that this is sold as the package. And then I already printed the labels, like I said. I'll just put the label on here. It's super important to put the label on the bag and not here, because Amazon is going to scan this. So it's really simple, guys. It's really not that hard. Here's just another one. This one's smaller. So let me grab a bag. Again, super easy. All right, just like that. Boom. Take off those things are like really annoying. Do that. You got that all sealed. Take your sold as set labels, put one there, put one on the back, and then take the label you already printed out. Again, make sure it's on the outside of the bag. Just stick it like that, and then you're all set. You can also polybag it first, as long as you see like a visible barcode, and if it's in the poly bag. But I like to do it, print the labels and then do it. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you ship box sets to Amazon. Box sets could be super, super profitable. So that's a great. You definitely don't want a book falling out, the case being damaged more. You just don't want any issues, and making sure it says sold as set so they don't take it out. It seems ridiculous, but you don't want to why risk it? Why not? I mean, these sell for good money, so just do it. It's really simple. I will link to the stickers and the bags in the description. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a ton to me, and I'll see you in the next video.